Let's make this luxurious shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. Here's what you'll need. 1 package fettuccine noodles, fully cooked deveined shrimp. I add 7 per person. 1 stick of butter, 1 cup heavy cream or heavy whipping cream, 1 1/2 cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cloves of garlic, salt and white pepper to taste, parsley for garnish and flavor. I use dried here. Begin by grating 1 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. To remove the tails from the shrimp, insert 1 tine of a fork between the shell and the shrimp and pull up, breaking the shell. Then simply remove the shrimp from the tail and repeat. Add salt to boiling water. Add the fettuccine noodles. The noodles will take 10 to 12 minutes to cook, so it's time to begin the sauce. Start by adding 1 stick of butter into the pan. I use Kerrygold butter when the flavor needs to be supreme. Add the garlic. Here I use a press, but you can also finely mince the garlic with a knife. Add dried parsley at this step to infuse the flavor in the butter. Add 1 cup of heavy cream. Heat the cream to a simmer, stirring frequently so as not to burn. Add white pepper and salt to taste. Mix. Once the cream is simmering, add the freshly grated Parmesan cheese. When the sauce is ready, add the shrimp. This will get them nice and warm and saucy. The noodles look ready. Drain the pasta. Add the sauce to the noodles. Toss the noodles and shrimp in the sauce. Be sure to mix thoroughly so that the noodles are evenly coated. If you would like a slightly thicker sauce, you could add 1/4 cup less heavy whipping cream. Doesn't this look amazing? Trust me, it was delicious. I love to twirl and twirl fettuccine on my fork. I hope you enjoy.